Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sort by month in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my data, and as you can see that the month is not sorted chronologically, and I'm going to start it from January to December. Okay, first of all guys, we can choose the data like this, and we're going to right click on it and select sort. And then you're going to select custom sort. Okay, and I'm going to click on sort here, and you're going to select sort by here. For the column, you can choose the column where you want to sort your data. I'm going to choose row labels, and here I'm going to choose the cell values, and for the order, select custom list, and you can choose the month list. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to click on OK. Click on OK. Alright, and this is for the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to sort by month in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!